Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to split PDF pages on a PC for free in 2026. So if you want to separate pages from a PDF document without paying for expensive software, yeah, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, open a free PDF editor or splitter tool on your PC or browser. Many free tools can split PDF pages easily. Next, upload the PDF you want to split. So the tool will load all pages for you automatically. Now choose the pages you want to separate. You can split single pages or entire page ranges. So yeah, click the Split or Extract button. The tool will create a new PDF with only the selected pages. Next, download the separated PDF file to your PC. Save it in an organized folder so you can find it easily later. Finally, open the new PDF and check that all pages were split correctly. So, make sure nothing is missing before sharing it. And that's how to split PDF pages on a PC for free in 2026. Once you use free PDF tools and organize your files properly, separating pages becomes super easy. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more PDF and productivity tutorials.